white, make, gray, white, and red, make, pink, yellow, and blue, make, green, red, and yellow, make, orange, blue, and red, make, purple.
Mind game. What color do you get when you mix red and yellow?
Green, orange, purple.
The answer is
Orange.
what do you get if you mix red and white?
Pink, orange, red.
The answer is
Pink.
what color is the result of mixing blue and yellow?
Purple, green, orange.
The result is
Green.
what color do you get when you mix blue and white?
Pink, purple, light blue.
The answer is
Light blue.
what is the result of mixing yellow and white?
Blue, brown, light yellow.
The result is
Light yellow.
what do you get if you mix orange and blue?
Yellow, brown, red.
The answer is
Brown.
what do you get if you mix green and white?
Black, light green, pink.
The answer is
Light green.
what is the result of mixing purple and white?
Yellow, green, light purple.
The result is
Light purple.
what color do you obtain when you blend blue and black?
Dark blue. Green. Red.
The answer is
Dark blue.
What color do you get when you mix brown and white?
Dark blue. Light brown. Pink.
The answer is
Light brown.
what is the result of mixing black and green?
Dark blue. Dark green. Yellow.
The result is
Dark green.
what do you get if you mix red and blue?
Green. Orange. Purple.